ശ്രീ ഗുരുഭ്യോ നമഃ. നമസ്തേ. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഹൃദയംഗമമായ ഓണാശംസകൾ. I am extremely happy to be with you today as a Mohiniyattam teacher. Mohiniyattam is one among the 7 classical dance forms of India. This is known as the dance of the enchantress. This is evolved as Dasiyattam in Kerala. Later it was performed by Raja Nartakis, that is court dancers, at the king's darbar. Maharaja Swati Tirunal's period was the golden time for Mohiniyattam. He, with the support of the court musician Sri Vadivelu, one among the Tanjore brothers, composed so many songs in Sanskritam, Malayalam and Manipravalam, that is mixture of 2 languages, Padavarnams and Padams with ragas suitable for Mohiniyattam like Kurinji, Dvijavanti, Ahiri, Shurutti, Navroj, Ananda Bhairavi, etc. It is said that the hairstyle, the costume, all got this Kerala touch during Swati's period. Later, poet Vallathol has played an eminent role in promoting this art form at his Kerala Kalamandalam, which is a university now. The first Indian dancer who got her doctorate in India is Dr. Kanakrale from Mumbai. She is PhD holder in Mohiniyattam and the person behind Nalanda University. In Mohiniyattam, also we can present a Margam. In the repertoire, we have Rangavandhanam, Cholkattu, Jatiswaram, Bhakti Padam, Padavarnam, Padam, Kirtanam and Tillanam. Lighter items like Tarat and Bhajan can also be included. Padma Shri, late Chinnamu Amma, late Kalyani Kutti Amma, late Satyabhama teacher were the stalwarts of this art form in yesteryears. During my school days, Mohiniyattam was not popular and it was not included in Kerala State's School Youth Festival. I think it was included after 1970. Now Mohiniyattam is accepted worldwide and so many versatile artists are there around the globe. Coming to today's event, I am very happy to present the performance of my students who have learned 2 items in Mohiniyattam in a workshop organized by Natya Kshetram, Connecticut for 6 Sundays, 1.5 hours duration. All the participants were very keen to learn the style. Of course, the body kinetics can be mastered by real tapasya, that is continuous practice. These dancers learned 2 items in 4.5 hours and I appreciate them for this. Natya Jodi Aishwarya Chakravarti, Sabita, Sauparnika, Deepa, Deepti, Tina, Priya from Connecticut and Sumana from Iowa have learned from me. I am proud to say, or I am proud to mention that Aishwarya and Sumana are my disciples in Bharatanatyam. They are going to present Bhakti Padam of Sri Narayana Tirtha in the Raga Nilambali Setwadi Tala. The song is in Sanskritam on Lord Sri Krishna, who is the savior of his devotees, with lotus petals like eyes, crunch like neck, who is adorned with precious ornaments, resembles the beautiful Manmada, and he is the one who protects the universe. Bhakti Padam. Namaste.
माधव मामव देवा माधव मामव देवा माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण यादव कृष्ण यदुकुल कृष्ण माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण यादव कृष्ण यदुकुल कृष्ण माधव मामव देवा साधुजनाधार सार्वभौम साधुजनाधार सार्वभौम साधुजनाधार सार्वभौम साधुजनाधार सार्वभौम साधुजनाधार सार्वभौम कृष्ण माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण यादव कृष्ण यदुकुल कृष्ण माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण कृष्ण अम्बुजलोचन कम्बुशुपग्रीव अम्बुजलोचन कम्बुशुपग्रीव अम्बुजलोचन कम्बुशुपग्रीव अम्बुजलोचन कम्बुशुपग्रीव बिम्बाधर चन्द्रबिम्बानन अम्बुजलोचन कम्बुशुभग्रीव बिम्बाधर चन्द्रबिम्बानन चाम्बेयनासाग्र लग्नसुमौक्तिग चाम्बेयनासाग्र लग्नसुमौक्तिग चाम्बेयनासाग्र लग्नसुमौक्तिग चाम्बेयनासाग्र लग्नसुमौक्तिग चाम्बेयनासाग्र लग्नसुमौक्तिग शारद चन्द्रजनित मदना शारद चन्द्रजनित मदना माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण यादव कृष्ण यदुकुल कृष्ण माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण यादव कृष्ण यदुकुल कृष्ण माधव मामव देवा कृष्ण कृष्णाय